Hello again, that's Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to Off the Board for me. I kind of went out of the box, off the board. So I pulled this lovely sketch by, can't read it, Claire Louise from Paper Maze. And I thought this was just a stunning glare on the photo, sorry, on the phone. It's just a very stunning bandwidth with a horizontal. So I kind of played up on that, right? So I went with a bandwidth for these photos here that I have of my brother-in-law making pizza. Instead of the vertical, because I had already cut it and then realized what I did, I just matted it on this other paper. Used the pretty florals. And then I pulled in some scraps, and this is just a scrap room kit that I had. And I took my dies, which everybody made fun of me at the crop because there were so many die cutting machines there, and I traced and cut. And then I outlined each one of them, sticking them in that element here. So we have like a column design going this way. And then took a lot of the little bits about, cooking and stuff and just kind of sprinkled through. Used up all of the enamel dots that I got in that little scrap room kit as well. And just kind of sprinkled them in. I've got the chipboard, so I've got a mixer and a cup. And we've got the very best. We have a little pot. So here we have Come As You Are, Enjoy Every Moment. Those are chipboards. Over here we've got Home is the Nicest Word There Is, and a little chipboard cutting board. The Good Life, Always Together. And then a die cut piece that says Family, Where Life Begins and Love Never Ends. And then the little bundt cake and like the measuring cups here in the chipboard. And I thought that was just really fun. I was just having a play, just running around, talking and laughing. So I was really doing things that I could sit there and still be productive, but not really have to focus on what I was doing, right? So fussy cutting out these beautiful little stars was fun. And I like that I was able to use the floral, even though I really wanted to fussy cut all that. My hand would have been like, by the time we were done. So I did, like I said, this was a gorgeous layout, and I did take the band right there from it just to get that done. Now, this green paper is not a part of the collection. That was a large scrap that I had sitting on my desk, and you guys know I don't save scraps, but I had a hard time just throwing it away. This is it was one of the collections that we got as a gift for going to the crop, and I thought that was really cool. And then I'm looking at this right here, and I squished it. My friend's mom made these. How stinking cute is that? I wonder if I can get that on there. I don't know if I actually want the bow, but I think the bow is holding it together. I don't know. I gotta figure out a way to use this, but how stinking cute are those? So that's my off the board. I am super excited that I was able to complete these. As you know, voiceovers. Right now, and just like a recap, I did take washi tape, and I was using up a lot of washi tape. I loved this navy pattern on pattern, tone on tone, and I also liked this, but I just really fell in love with the way that the orange looked around everything, and then I used that orange paper to create some of the stars. So that was really fun, and I just traced, cut, and went on with my life, and then just scattered them. I just didn't want an orange to touch an orange, a pink to touch a pink, or a green to touch a green. So I kind of scattered them throughout and made them work. Or ran them off the page on each side along with the photos. So it just looks like it goes on forever and ever and ever. So do not forget to check everybody else out that is playing along with Off the Board. I will not talk your head off. We've pretty much covered all this. The one thing that I actually think would really set this entire, if we just did this, I should have done this to begin with. We'll just outline this one, right? We'll just come in and outline this white, and I think that'll give us a good separation, because as I was looking at it, things are getting a little lost in here. Not that this is going to make anything less busy, right? This is definitely a more is more is more is more is more. Reminds me of Scrapdom. Ah, I miss Adam. Adam, I missed you. So just give it a little bit of something. So that is now done. So check everybody else out that's playing along with Off the Board. Please go check out Paper Maze and Claire Louise and see what she creates. Let me go ahead and delete that now because I no longer need that photo. And I will see you guys later after you do all the fun YouTube things like subscribe, join memberships, check out Facebook groups. See you later. Bye.